Hello guys and welcome back to another amazing episode on Dashcam channel. We prepared a compilation of all sorts of epicness caught on driver's dashcam, so make sure to sit tight, grab your snacks and enjoy in this one. With a crazy road rage between a biker and some angry neighbors. Check this one out.
We got you on camera.
First gear.
Slow down, dude. Please. Yeah.
First gear. Yeah.
Say please. No.
First gear. You can come over to my house if you want. We can all have a chat.
Let's talk right here. Why are you speeding? There's kids here, dude.
Yeah. They could stay in the driveway. Is the street?
It's a neighborhood, dude.
Is the street a playground?
It's a neighborhood.
Yeah, I know.
Slow
I know what it is. I know what it is. This isn't a playground.
Slow down.
This ain't a playground.
Slow down. It's a neighborhood.
Whatever, man.
Whatever. Get out.
Whatever, man. Whatever, man. Whatever, man.
Said that if and when they take it out, they'll do a biopsy. Oh my god. Oh my god, I almost just got rear-ended.
Oh, here comes something. I just landing off the bus, guys.
I'm looking further down the road. I'm looking for big things like that. Like, I feel sorry for the bird, but if I hit it, it's...
Like that. No, mate, no! No!
Idiot.
Wow!
Careless driver blew a stop sign, but that's not all. He caused an accident, and to make things even worse, he fled the scene like lightning. Pay close attention at this crazy driver on the camera's right side. He didn't want to give up, not until he managed to somehow get in front of him. It took him quite a while, but he was really persistent. Check this one out. Camera caught a street race between two drivers on the road, and the outcome could have been way worse than it already was. The driver in front suddenly slammed on his brake and he nearly got rear-ended.
have room, Louis. Weird ass experience.
In this video, the camera got angry at the Tesla driver on his left side because they wouldn't let another driver in, hence the high beams. In this video, we have a police officer who doesn't do his job properly. A Mercedes driver casually runs a red light right before his very eyes, and he did absolutely nothing about it. If you don't fasten your belongings properly in your vehicle, you might end up without them, just like this driver ended up without his mattress.
No blinker, no lights.
Assuming that they give it they the
Okay, Presto. Asshole, mother. Like, what are you doing? Mother.
Oh my God, this guy want to go straight on the left turn only.
Oh, that's
Whoa. Where did he come from?
that's fucked up.
There was an accident where?
If you pass him.
Unfortunately, another episode comes to an end, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching and maybe learning something valuable out of all these fails. After all, that's the purpose of this channel. Make sure to leave a like, because we will really appreciate it. And while you're at it, please do subscribe and click on the bell button as well. Until the next episode, drive safe and take care.